Magnetism. Hi friends, we all use magnets in our daily life, sometimes to stick fidgets to the refrigerator and sometimes to pick up metal objects. When we put our earphones together, they repel. That's because of the magnets inside them. In this research project, I'll talk about three topics: magnetism, magnetic fields, and pattern of magnetic field lines. A magnet can attract materials such as iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. There are two nails here. Both look very similar, but one nail is attracted to the magnet and the other does not get attracted to the magnet. That's because the first nail is made of stainless steel and the second one is made of steel. A magnet can be of three shapes. The first one is a bar magnet, the second one is a horseshoe magnet, and the third one is a disc magnet. Can a magnet have a single pole? No. A monopole cannot exist. A magnet must have two poles. For example, if you break a magnet in two pieces, each piece will have two poles. As you may know, that when you put similar poles, meaning like poles, facing each other within two magnets, they repel, meaning they push each other. But if you put the opposite poles facing each other, they attract, they pull each other. So as you can see in the first picture, the similar four poles, which are the two north poles, they are repelling each other. But in the second picture, the two opposite poles of the magnet, which is south pole, and the nail, which is north pole, they attract each other. Properties of magnets. The properties of magnets are that like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other, and a monopole cannot exist, meaning a magnet with a singular pole. The types of magnets are bar magnet, disk magnet, and horseshoe magnet. A field is an area where an object experiences a force, pulled down by the Earth's gravitational force. A magnetic field is stronger when it's near the magnet's poles. How can we find the shape of a magnet's magnetic field? There are two ways to find the shape of a magnet's magnetic field. One is with iron fillings, and the other is with a magnetic compass. Magnetic field lines start from north of the magnet and end at the south pole. Come close to one another near the poles of the magnet, but are widely separated at other places. Magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. Let us assume that the magnetic field lines of two magnets intersect each other. And if we put a compass on the intersection point, which way will the compass needle point? It is not possible for the compass needle to point in two different directions. Earth also has a magnetic field. Magnetic field of a bar magnet is equal to 0.01 T, and the average value of Earth's magnetic field is equal to 50 UT, which is 200 times stronger than a magnetic field of a bar magnet. The SI unit that is used to measure a magnetic field is Tesla or T. Properties of magnets. Properties of a magnet. Like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other, and a monopole cannot exist. The types of magnets are a bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, and a disk magnet. Properties of a magnetic field are start from a north pole and end at south pole. Come close to one another near the poles and do not intersect each other.